Okay, day 4 of Rush Attack, 3-star, no nature. Okay, and what are we looking at here? Yeah, recording failed yesterday. Just every time I hit, fight, spin. So what happened yesterday? I lost the first one, although I did take out the tank and then won the next 4. So, and where am I on defense? I was an A yesterday, just. I think I was 66. What was I? 60.7 or something like that. I was just over the 60% yesterday, but up to 71.4 today. So, an extra win came in. Yeah, if that had been a loss, I would have been a B, but hey ho. All good. All good. So, let's see what happens here. Is anybody going to be hearing this rambling start or not? Okay. I think I'm going to go 4-1. I want Tyrum. Yeah. Yeah. And this is what was happening yesterday. Don't know what it is on tournaments. Okay, it was a little slow on the war, but tournament, it just doesn't seem to like it at all. Yikes. Die. This is going to give me my purples. Yes. Cool. Right. So I'll do that one. I'll do that and that. Cool. We'll do that. Got the cleanse, would have gotten the heal the next turn. Cool. That's awesome. And we're going to do the same again. Ooh. That's not going to work. I was thinking about making that blue match into Sally, but all that would do would take the purples, these purples away. So yeah, not going to do that. Yeah, I'm going to do this. I am going to do that move now. That didn't put the proper I wanted it to be put. That was vexing. Let's get a heal him. There we go. It's fine. It's fine, fine, fine. Ooh, he's got that superior evade, has he? Well, get you. Why didn't they... Oh, that's annoying. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. This one could hurt a bit. Do I go blues? Nah. Should have gone blues, should have gone blues, should have gone blues. Should have gone blues. Okay. Let's see what we got, what we got. Let's do that one down there. Son of a bitch. That Ed's a pain in the ass, eh? Damn it. Anybody else but the healer, eh? Would have won that. Never mind. Let's continue. Okie Okie dokie dokie. Do I need to get a better healer in there? Do I get Frosty? Let's see what we got. 505 and 523. Let's get him in there. 783, 799. Yeah. Don't know that he would have helped. Never mind. Never mind. Lots of status elements. This one. And yeah. Wow. Nope, 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 and nope, nope, nope. You don't get the tiles, you definitely don't get the win. It is, again, one of these ones where starting to work for an awful lot. Nah. This is turning into a miserable day. Let's rock and roll on that. Okay. Let's do that one. Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, he was on a cooldown, was he? Okay. Right. Well, we'll do that. Let's do that. How's he out of sync anyway? Well, that was a miserable day. 2 losses and had to buy in. Fair enough. And yeah, I hope your tournament's going as well. It's going well. And yeah, sorry I skipped today, but yeah, it was unwatchable. There was about 8 minutes between hitting the fight and the, and nah, I wasn't going to subject you to that, and I wasn't going to subject me to editing it all out, so because that's a pain in the ass. Okay, yeah, I will catch you tomorrow, where hopefully I will complete it without buying back in again. I wouldn't be buying back in again. Okay, cheers, laters.